How to change time zone on Omnipod 5. How to change time zone on Omnipod 5. Suspend insulin delivery. Navigate to the settings menu and select Suspend insulin. Confirm by tapping Yes to pause insulin delivery. This step is necessary to adjust time settings. Access time zone settings. Go to Settings, General Time Zone. Select New Time Zone. Tap Select Time Zone and choose your desired time zone from the list. Save changes. Confirm your selection by tapping Save, then Confirm. Resume insulin delivery. After updating, navigate back to Settings, Resume insulin and tap Yes to resume insulin delivery. Important notes. The Omnipod 5 system does not automatically adjust to new time zones. You must manually update the time zone settings when traveling or after daylight saving time changes. Always ensure that your time zone settings are correct to maintain accurate insulin delivery schedules and history logs.